everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy 360 Juice and I'm back with another video for you guys. Nike, sponsor me. Hey man, we back with another video, guys. I know y'all seen the thumbnail, man. Jeezy again, alright? I'm about to react to 360 Jeezy. So hope you guys enjoyed that video. But before we get into the video, guys, I got a couple announcements to make, man. Y'all remember that brush I was using, that crown brush, that little circular brush that I was using to brush my crown to get my jump back into place? Guess what, guys? I am now an ambassador for 360 merch and I will be promoting that brush. And guess what? All my subscribers, man, y'all already know, man. If you my subscribers, I always get the discount codes for y'all, man. I always get the discounts for y'all. Y'all don't have to, you know, pay full price for these products. 2-6 King Wavy products. Y'all don't gotta pay full price. Do-rags, y'all don't gotta pay full price. Brushes, y'all don't gotta pay full price. Now, we got the crown brush. I really love that crown brush, man. I'm gonna be using that junk to not kill my crown, you know, just like to make it better. But I wanna give a big shout out to 360 merch for giving me this amazing opportunity to share with you all, you feel me, to give y'all these types of products for the low, and you guys don't have to pay full price. Now, if I'm talking too much, y'all can skip to the part where I react to 360 Jeezy. I feel like this is stuff that I gotta share with you guys. So I have a discount code for you guys. If you guys get your circular crown brush from 360 merch, I'm gonna have the link down in the description and also my discount code. But my discount code for the circular crown brush is 360 Juice. I guess it's all caps. So just put 360 Juice and that is the discount code. 10% off, guys. Get that brush, don't pay full price, and just work on your crown. Other announcements I want to make, I want to give shout out to the 2-6 King Wavy ambassador team, all right? We have a lot of ambassadors, man. We have at least 20. So I want to give a big shout out to 360 EB, 660 Dania. Also, wait, let me screen record this, young man, so y'all can just see what I'm talking about. 360 EB, 660 Dania, Also Wavy, Big Swim Team, Chris, Hisham, KJ, Mr. 360, Steven Wright, 360 Waver Life Coach, Wavy, I think his name is Wave Poppy, Isalo, Kata aka K Reed 360. I apologize if I'm getting these names wrong, guys. I apologize. Kata aka K Reed 360, Not Your Average Mo. Guys, I'm screen recording so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Snapchat Addicted to _ Ace 540 Wavy, and Shea Butter Baby. Alright, those are the people that I'm shouting out. And last but not least, guys, I want to give a huge shout out to the newest member of the 2-6 King Wavy team. And that shout out goes to Jimmy Moetti, but his name on YouTube is Boy Jimmy. You know, he just reached 10,000 subscribers. Congrats to him, man. It's not easy. It's not easy to get that many subscribers, man. So yeah, that's all I had to say. So without further ado, let's get right to this video, man. Let's get it. All right, y'all. So I already have the video up. I'm actually gonna let the sound play. So if I get copyright, it's cool. You feel me? Shout out to 360 Jeezy. Much respect for him, man. He's the reason why I started this journey, you know, of my my YouTube channel, my waves and everything, teaching people how to get waves. He's the reason why I started this. Him and Poppy Blasted, man. Top 2 right there. But let's get right into this video. Let's stop talking, man.
Man, I remember my first video. I was scared. Alright, I was scared, and that's why a lot of times it's like your start is your start. Like, forget it. Whatever you got, just use it until you can upgrade, you know what I mean? I remember saying that I had like 6 subscribers, and by the end of this video, I'm gonna have 7. After this one, I should have 7.
Yeah, Jeezy crazy.
And with my sister's help, though, I started.
Hey man, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna stop this video as much, but I'm gonna tell y'all this: if you want to start a YouTube channel, bro, go do it. Just do it. Just do it. Don't wait for when you get a new camera. You got a phone. Start making videos with your phone. Don't wait, because when you start, that's when you start learning. Actually, like, when you wait, you're not really doing anything. You feel me? Start now. Start today. Don't wait. It don't matter how many subscribers you have, neither. As long as you want to help people.
So I started, you know, being who I am around family on camera. So with the intro is crazy. I remember beating on the wall. Boom, it's 360 Jeezy.
Please don't copyright me, Jeezy.
It's Jeezy. It's 360 Jeezy.
No copyrights, man. Stop playing.
I remember doing it. And like I said, I'm slowly evolving throughout this process because I sent my brother this voicemail of me singing the intro, and you know my brother's a producer. Shout out to Hustle Dreams Productions, and he just like really put it all together.
So that's how you came up with the. That's how you came up with that intro. That's nice, man.
On my channel, I started to just like tell people how to get 360 waves.
I didn't know that's how you started.
Stick with me. I know it looks like a big old banana right now. Just by showing
It look like a big old banana.
I remember using a bar of soap to wash my hair. Wash my hair. Just to show you guys how.
Hey man, that's some beginner jump, man. You wash your hair with soap. Beginners.
Like I said, I was always trying to implement my character of this funny guy. It's not really a character, just who I am. But I just always wanted to be funny.
There's some inspirational jump,
something
man.
that nobody else was doing on YouTube. You know, back in the day, when people was, you know, brushing their hair and stuff like that, making YouTube videos, everybody wanted to be hardcore, and I definitely wanted to break that whole that thing that you had to be a thug, or, you know what I mean, you had to be a hardcore thug to actually, you know what I mean, brush your hair. And I always felt like only pretty boys brush their hair anyway. Man, I done showed everybody from the beginning to, you know, how to get 360 waves from having 0 waves at all to having dope 360 waves. And I did that early on. How I really grew my channel and grew myself on YouTube is by entering into contests. I remember they did a wave builder wave cut. Get your waves up, get your waves up, get your waves up and get yours with wave builder. And you know, you had to enter your dopest video promoting wave builder, and I ended up winning and receiving $1,000 on a Best Buy card. And immediately I went to Best Buy.
Yo, if I could get $1,000 on my Best Buy card, bro, yo, you know what I could do with that? Son, that's crazy. I'll get a mic, I'll get a bigger ring light. Yo, I get so many things for I'll reinvest that junk into my YouTube, man.
I invested right back into myself.
Exactly, that's what you gotta do, bro. As soon as you get that bread, get you a new camera to get better quality and everything. That's dope, bro.
My videos, you know.
Yo, we're very alike, man. Like, I feel like all YouTubers are like that. You know, go to Best Buy, get you a camera.
And just, you know what I mean? Just easier, period. Just upgrading.
That's what I'm saying with y'all, man. If you want to start your YouTube channel, start with your phone. Start with your phone. Then when you start making money, reinvest that into your business. And then until you grow, you feel me? Then you can start taking your profits and put that elsewhere. You feel me? Come on, man.
As I go. After that, I went to school to become a barber.
Ooh, we went to school to
become
a barber.
You know, waves, hair. I cut hair on the side anyway. All of that goes hand in hand. So, you know,
I've
been cutting
is
hair
that?
for years. So I decided to go to school.
Jeezy, what you up to, man? What you doing?
Man, I did some crazy hairstyles in school.
Don't do that again.
After school, I was blessed to have an uncle. You know what I mean?
Oh, that's Velocity Cuts.
Together, man. We opened up Velocity Cuts.
Oh, so he owns Velocity Cuts. That's tough. I thought he just.
Right after I got out of school. And
I thought he just like worked there, but he actually owns it. That's tough.
Mr.
That's
opening
tough,
up the shop and stuff like that. I scalped again. You know what I mean?
Oh, so he scalped twice. This is his third time scalping.
Show everybody, you know, from beginning to, you know, from having nothing to having something. And I always, through my whole wave journey, I always wanted to show new people on the channel where a person can have no waves, and if you put in the hard work, you could get there. One of my biggest moments on YouTube is when I reached 100K on
I can't wait to reach 100K, guys.
You know what I mean? I had 100K subscribers, and I got the plaque in the
Share
mail.
my videos,
and
man.
that feeling right,
Y'all don't be sharing my videos? That's crazy.
it was just like real dope, man. It's something real special about that day that I'll never forget. You know what I mean? I had my daughter in the video, and it was just
That's
dope,
tough.
man. Dope experience. After that, man, I continued to be me. You know what I mean? I would do brush reviews. I remember Brush King used to send me these big boxes of brushes. I always was excited about, just doing brush reviews and just, unboxing, period. I remember the white cut challenge. Y'all want to see me fall? Y'all want to see me do a 1.5 against the grain? Well, here it is not. Here it is not.
Here it is not.
Challenge with,
it ain't happening today.
Hands, Christian Perez, the whole 245 squad. I remember that just being like super epic.
Y'all have your water,
everybody.
man.
I feel like we started the whole wifey cut challenge movement. You know what I mean? Because everybody started having their wives cut their hair. I feel like the greatest videos on my channel is with Fonz.
Oh, those videos be funny.
I found Fonz sleeping outside with Yo Fonz. Shout out to Yo Fonz. When he came down to get his haircut, he opened my eyes up to vlogging and just a different style of.
Keep vlogging, Jeezy. If you watching this, man, I love your vlogs, bro. Like, it inspires me. Like, when you just show me your whole day, it's like, yo, this man works his butt off all day, basically, man.
Editing.
Keep doing that.
He just woke my eyes up so much to where it really took me to another level when it comes to these vlogs. By vlogging, I was able to, do more videos with my kids, my family.
Exactly. See.
To do things that I wouldn't normally do if Fonz didn't come down and really just, open my eyes up to editing, period.
Yo.
I sat down and really just watched him edit that video.
Look at his face,
where
bro.
I cut his hair. So ever since that day, man, I couldn't stop there. All right, me and Fonz had to team up again. All right, and go out to Chicago and get our haircuts from Hit the Beam.
I was first. Yo, it really be like that, bro. You gotta wait in the line so somebody get their cut. Man, I don't ever go through that no more because I gotta do my appointments with Clutcher, man. My boy Clutcher, he be having it. Clutcher the barber, man. I'm also getting a cut on August 7th. I booked my appointment. First hairline, man. Bro, I'm bringing my hairline back. It's gonna feel so good.
I forgot my hairline, bro. You got it, bro. I got my hair. You got it. Yo, get up. 4.5 months. You just gonna give up now? I'm not giving up. I'm just letting you go. Yo, sit down, bro. And after that, man, probably like the worst thing in my life ever happened.
Oh man.
Where I had to tell you guys that my sister passed.
That's the worst.
About a week ago.
My condolences, Jeezy.
I want to say like a week and a half ago, I got a call from my dad, and he told me that my sister passed. Saying that was super hard, because right after that, I had to keep the ball going, you know what I mean?
You got to, man. You got a family to take care of, man.
Things going and act like everything was okay when it really wasn't, you know what I mean? Even one of the biggest moments when Sir Cruz came down, I had to deal with my sister being gone.
That's hard.
And I had to cut Sir Cruz hair. But if it wasn't for my sister, man, I probably wouldn't even be on YouTube at all. Like, my sister is the whole reason why I even jumped on YouTube. So R.I.P. Ashley Stovall. Without her.
Hey man, if you're watching my video and you're not subscribed to 360 Jeezy, I want you to pause this video and go subscribe to him right now and come back. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. I'm waiting for you.
Man, I don't even know what I would be doing. I probably would be a barber, but I probably wouldn't be on YouTube like that for sure. I remember her telling me like,
this video going pretty long, guys.
Man, if you get on YouTube, you'll blow up. You'll blow up, I'm telling you. And for her, that's why I continue to just push hard, work hard, and just go hard, and you know what I mean, keep pushing, because I want to make my sister. I know she was proud, but I want to see how big I can become.
Hey man, keep going, Jeezy.
You know what
keep
I mean?
going, bro.
The way that my sister looked at me. I ended up winning an award, YouTube Sensation Award, at the CT Barber Expo.
360 G's. Oh, he pulled out the brush on him. They don't know nothing about that, Jeezy.
Uncle Cam, we made it.
Hey man, unbutton your jacket, man. Oh no, you good. Never mind. That's only when you're sitting down. When you sit down, you gotta unbutton it. But that just look like it's not letting him move. Like he's trying to move in the jacket, not letting him move and jump.
YouTube Black with entertainers, you know what I mean? Just the thought of that for me.
I can't wait to start going to those, man. You feel me? I'm gonna be so grateful.
I'm a barber at the end of the day. I'm a waver. You know what I mean? So
I'm gonna be so proud of myself when I make it to one of those, bro. Like those YouTube meetings.
I did a lot as a waver, barber on YouTube, man.
Once you hit 100K on YouTube, they start inviting you to like places and stuff and award shows. Like you start meeting all these big YouTubers, man. It's just a big inspiration, man.
Can't nobody tell me it ain't possible, man. If you put the hard work,
exactly.
I say this all the time: hard work, dedication, motivation, consistency, the will to keep going.
And patience.
Gets tough and the tough gets
patience,
going,
man. That's a big part.
You go. So make sure you apply all of that, man, and put the work in. All right?
Patience.
I don't really know what's next. I honestly don't know what's next.
Hey, keep cutting, man.
I say all of that to say this. Alright.
Oh no, don't do it. What happened? What happened, yo? I mean, the hair's going back a little quick, man. You ain't had to do that, Jeezy.
I got
Come
a
on,
bald
man.
head.
Jeezy, what's
How
going?
did we end up here?
I don't know, man. Alright, so that's it. Hey man, that was a pretty dope video, man. That just motivated me to scalp and start over. Maybe I'll gain some more subscribers from that. You feel me? To show y'all my whole journey. Cause when I started, I really had no waves, you feel me? So that was a good journey right there. I feel like if I scalp, I'll get another 30,000 subscribers like real quick. I'm about to hit 40K real soon, guys. Appreciate y'all for supporting me. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like, comment. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for your boy. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.